Hi, this is David, technical trainer at True Boutique. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import a floor layout and how to add obstacles in your online configurator projects. Before starting this session, make sure you have an image of the floor layout you want to import. It can be a JPEG or a PNG, for example. Start by going to the Layout section and select Floor Plan. Then click Upload Image to import your layout. Browse to your file to import it. Once uploaded, a preview of the layout appears in the workspace. Click on Dimensions to scale it. To scale the layout, click to place a start point, then an end point, and enter the real-world length of the segment between them. You can reposition the layout manually by dragging the arrows. Exact values of X and Y placement can also be used. Note that the reference in this case is the center of the layout image. So I personally prefer to align it with an item on the layout, like this conveyor, for example. Click the green check mark when you're done, then close the layout panel. You can now visualize the actual scenario. Note that this is for visualization only, and it will not impact the behavior of the simulation. To add an actual obstacle to the palletizing environment and see how it impacts the application, follow the next steps. Let's add an obstacle. Start by clicking the Layout menu, click Add New Obstacle, and give it a relevant name. Select your reference. In most cases, you'll use floor, which corresponds to the center of the robot at the floor level. You can position the obstacle by dragging the arrows directly on the screen or by entering the position and dimensions manually if you already know them. Note that X, Y, and Z axis correspond respectively to the red, green, and blue arrows in the same order as the RGB color space standard. To rotate the obstacle, use the curved drag handles or input the rotation angles. Now, dimension the obstacle. Enter height, width, and depth manually, or use the scale function to resize it. The measure helper can guide you with aligning objects. Now that your layout and obstacles are set, click Simulate to preview how your robot will navigate the environment. If, after creating the obstacle, the simulator cannot find a solution anymore, it is because the basic paths generated by the palletizing software are in conflict with the obstacle. Enable advanced collision avoidance to generate more advanced paths. This might impact processing time, but it's very helpful when navigating through tighter clearances. That's it. You've successfully imported a floor layout and added an obstacle to your project. If you need more guidance, visit our support center or watch more videos in this series.